there, Anagha Koka here. Welcome to my food channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to make a Gondal chicken. Gondal chicken is from the district of Gujarat called Gondal. This is a one-pot meat with the wholesome spices, aromatic coriander, pears, tomato and of course the chicken. Ideal for the bachelors and also people who stay in a hostel, as this is super instant and surprisingly super delicious. And this particular dish has to be specifically made in a pressure cooker as no water has been added in it. The moisture of the coriander, chicken and of course the tomato helps to cook together and gives us surprisingly super delicious and lip smacking taste. So do like and subscribe in case if you have liked this video. Let's see how to make this Gondal chicken. So let's make Gondal chicken. Add oil. Once the oil is warm, add jeera, add red dry chilies, tej patta, poke the tomatoes, add coriander, add chicken, add little turmeric, Kashmiri red chili powder, salt. Keep lid and give exactly 3 whistles and keep this on a medium-low flame. So 3 whistles are done and now I will switch off the flame. So this is done and now we will check this. Check if the chicken is cooked. Yes, it is cooked. Now we shall serve this. So here the Gondal chicken is ready, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. Thank you.